Everybody, we are at Dollar General. Let's see what kind of Christmas items they have. Hey, I have to pick up cat litter anyway, so let's go in and see if they have anything for Christmas. I'm sure they do, right? Right, honey bunnies?
Yep.
Yep. Let's go. Well, let's see what they have at Dollar General. We have to stop here anyway. Oh, look at they got some fall decor. Ooh, they got some cute stuff, some pretty colors. Let's see if there's anything we need on clearance. They do have paper plates and napkins. I mean, everybody needs that, right? Dollar General is a great place to stop if you just kind of need something quick to pick up. Or I've even been known to relist things from Dollar General. You can do that too, especially if it's on clearance. Hey, why not? Retail arbitrage. Okay, we're going to grab a cart. Look how pretty these carts are. They're bright yellow. That will make you happy for sure. Let's see what kind of Christmas things they have. I'm going to put my purse in this cart. But oh yeah, I remember nobody can see anything when my purse is in the way, so I'll stick it in the basket. Oh, I see Twinkies. Let's see what else they have. Oh, there's some nice popcorn tins for Christmas and some cheese balls and really yummy looking candy cans. There's a lot of stuff you can buy that's practical, like socks and stuff like this. Oh, here's some really nice boxes. Oh, there's so much to look at. Look at these boxes. These are great for shipping in. I also put them in my jewelry organizers to keep things kind of separated if it's breakable. Look at all the ornaments here that you can find at Dollar General. These make good gifts too. Sometimes they have some nice things. The boxes, though, I just can't get over it. $1 for these boxes. That's actually a really good deal, especially for these bigger sizes. It's a great deal. They've got all different colors and combinations. Oh, look, I see Tommy. Oh, it looks like little Tommy. I don't have a chihuahua, but look at that does look like Tommy. He's such a naughty little boy. I can see him climbing into a stocking and hanging there. Oh, that's cute. They've got some great decor that you can find for Christmas time. Some really pretty items. Look at these signs are only $1. How can you find this for $1? I don't know. You could definitely resell these, no problem. These are really adorable for $1. And there's even one with hanging little hot cocoa and candy cans and marshmallows. I thought this was super cute. I really want to buy it, but I don't know where I would put it. Where would I put this? This is so cute. Look at their little dangly bits, and they're just so adorable. What do you think? Should I buy this? It's only $3. Oh my goodness. I can't figure out where I'm going to put that. Do I put it back? Oh, I don't want to. I should just buy it, but I didn't. If you believe. Some people like that word. It's only $1. And ho, ho, ho for the one you know. And we're moving on. Oh, look at these cute cups. I think you can find something for anybody. Cups are great too if you want to just give a little gift and fill it with some candy or candy canes. Cute little pencils, something like that. Little tea towels for your kitchen. Christmas themed. Very, very nice. Oh, they even have hair things and socks. Christmas galore. Oh, these socks are just adorable. These socks are so cute. Might have to get some of these socks. Socks make a great gift too, and you can even put like a gift card in them. I've been known to do that. It's just something fun. These reindeer antlers are adorable. I think I need this. I think I need this. I'm going to wear this. Oh, we might want to get one of each color just because we have different color outfits. So let's get two. Here they have some pretty smelling potpourri. Oh, not so pretty. Okay, we're just going to put that back. I thought this would be pretty. It looked pretty. It's not so pretty. We're just going to keep on moving. Gift bags, everybody. Dollar General is a great place to find gift bags for wrapping presents. I don't like to wrap anymore, so I like gift bags, but I have a full load. Oh, if you have a black lab, look at that. They have a stocking for a black lab. Cute. Adorable for your dog to hide little goodie treats in for Christmas time. They have wonderful crafts for the crafter or great kids stockings. Don't forget the candy. Candy, candy, candy. Yummy candy. Look at all that candy. It's very tempting, but we're not going to buy any. Oh, maybe we'll buy this. No, no, no. I'm trying to say no, but it all looks so good. The aisle of yummy stuff. Oh, here they have some more plates if you want an easy dinner with no dishwashing. Look at these adorable bowls. You could fill these with little cookies or candies to give to someone, and they stay nice and fresh. Oh, look at these coasters. I'm always in the need of a coaster, and it's for Christmas time. These are really cute. Only $3. These are adorable. They're even tied with a cute little string. I think I need these. These are going into my cart. We are going to buy these for sure. And here we are. This is the reason we stopped. We need some cat litter. Dollar General is a great place to find just everyday things that you need. And here we're trying to figure out, well, hey, what's the best one to buy? Because they're all pretty good. Oh my goodness, Christmas Sprite. Has anybody tried this Christmas Sprite? I think it's like cranberry. Oh yes, we need some of that. We need some. I actually bought a whole case and I didn't even get one. Everybody drank it. I need one of these. And here we had chocolate covered cherries and little treats for people for Christmas. Everybody likes a little treat every once in a while, right? And that's it. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed. Ooh, we found some really good breakfast. Let's see what you got, John. Ooh, that looks good. You got some bacon.
Sourdough bread.
What is this breakfast called?
3 eggs, toast, hash browns, and bacon.
And well, because I'm a vegetarian, I just get the eggs, which is a lot of eggs, toast, and some hash browns with onions. This looks wonderful. Yay! And here's what it looks like outside. We are at New Beginnings restaurant. Oh boy, this phone does not want to work today. It is gloomy out in Michigan, but hey, that's okay.
Merry